crying for a brighter day. Leaders talking but they drift away. Still we stand with our heads up high. Roots run deep, we will never die. Hear the rhythm of the people's cry. No more war, no more living lies. From the ghetto streets to the village ground, unity is where our strength is found. Chains of history still hold tight, but love is stronger than the darkest night. Break the silence, let your voice be heard. Power lives in every word. One life, one voice, one destiny. Stand together, we will all be free. From Africa to the Caribbean Sea. One love, one heart, one family. See the youth with a burning flame, fighting hard to rise above the pain. Education is the key we hold. Write your story brave and bold. Politicians play their game of gold, while the poor man's story goes untold. But the music speaks what truth can't hide. Justice walks right by our side. Hear the elders speak of days gone by. Wisdom flows like a river wide. If we listen, we will find the way to a brighter, united day. No borders in the soul tonight. We rise as one in Jah light. No fear, no change, no walls between. Just love and truth, pure and clean. Through the struggle, through the tears we cried, still we lift our spirits to the sky. Faith will guide us through the storm, keep the fire of hope warm. Different colors but the same true heart. From the start we were never apart. Every nation, every